At MIT World Peace University, we believe in pushing the boundaries of education and innovation. But what truly sets us apart? Our state-of-the-art labs, equipped with cutting-edge technology, here, at the Center for Subsea Engineering Research, innovation meets application. In the Tata Technology and Visualization Center, ideas take shape. The Institute of AI and Zero Privacy Labs drive the future, while Capgemini 4.0 Technology Laboratory and Tescan Clara FESEM Lab provide the tools to turn concepts into reality. These labs are designed with one purpose in mind: to empower students to innovate, experiment, and excel. At MIT World Peace University, we bridge theory and practice, inspiring groundbreaking research and real-world solutions. We don't just invest in facilities, we invest in the future. We invest in you. MIT World Peace University, where experiential learning is the way.